They say people with diabetes die 10 years sooner. They have to have limbs amputated, they go blind. My vision was getting really, really blurry. I went and got tested and they said that I had type 2 diabetes. I was pretty devastated to find out. It was like, getting a form of a death sentence.
Dr. Eric Edgerton and Dr. Vinny De Pasquale are co-authors of Reversing Diabetes Naturally and are co-founders at NSI Integrative Wellness in Tampa Bay. NSI sees diabetics reduce or eliminate prescription medications, lose weight without exercise while regaining their lost energy, which helps them get their life back.
I would encourage anyone who's either dealing with this or has a loved one who's dealing with it to definitely go to the seminar and listen. The results were, immediate. This is not too good to be true. This is happening.
There really is nothing to lose here. Each diabetic receives a free consultation to determine if they qualify and will achieve success.
For a long time, I had no hope, and now I definitely see that the future is full of hope.